The other safety feature these Ultra Booms are going to have is I get calls all the time. This unit does not want to lift all the way up. It stops about 10 feet shy. So if you got your... Now the thing with these Ultra Booms is the outriggers, or I should say the axles on these units are retractable and extendable. Now what that means is I'm going up on my main arm. Okay? Axles retracted. It's supposed to stop. It's supposed to cut you off after about 15 feet. You have nothing. That is a safety feature because this unit all the way up with them little wheels in like that, I promise you are not going to save your life. Okay, we back on level. So now on high idle with the wheels on two-wheel drive and your outrigger out speed to the top, we're going to engage it and we're going to extend both sets of axles out and then try to go up again and see what we have. Now, same machine, same scenario. We're gonna go up, but with our axles extended this time. And now you're free to roam the sky, kiddos. Okay, now we're definitely past that 15, 20 feet height restriction. There you go. There y'all go. Y'all don't have to call a field tech. Y'all don't have to call it in. Simple solution. Voila. Works every time.